Welcome to the world of Robo Kid.
In the farm where the sun shines bright, there live animals, a cheerful sight. The cow grazes calmly, her milk so pure, while the sheep's woolly coat keeps her warm for sure. The goose honks loudly, flying high above, and the horse runs freely with strength and love. The chicken clucks softly, laying eggs with care, while the goat jumps playfully without a single care. The donkey brays gently, carrying loads with ease, and the duck quacks happily, paddling through the breeze. Last but not least, the rabbit hops with glee in the farm where animals roam wild and free.
Thank you for watching. Do subscribe and share.